How to set up Hey Google on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down. Click on Google. After that, click on All Services, which is beside Recommended. After you click on All Services, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Google Search Assistant and Voice. After you click on Search Assistant and Voice, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Google Assistant, which is the third option. After you do that, in here, click on Voice Match. After you click on Voice Match, you can simply turn on Hey Google from here or click on Retrain Voice Match Model. If you click on that option, you need to match your voice. After you match your voice, only if you say Hey Google, your Hey Google will be turned on. This is how to set up Hey Google on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.